Winner of the 2022 TIDA New Zealand Designer Suite is Jason Bonham of Bonham Architecture and Interiors.
The design of this master suite reflects a modern international aesthetic that was central to the renovation throughout the Auckland beachside home. Within the home, the master suite's floor plan has been reconfigured to create a luxury his and hers space. Walk-around robes layered with metal-framed fronts, tinted glass doors and thoughtful internal LED downlighting are orientated to catch a glimpse of the sea. Meanwhile, the new bed position overlooks Rangitoto and beautiful Milford Beach. Previously tiled in dark mosaic tiles, the new ensuite now features eccentric tiled application flowing on from the entry along the floor and into the double shower that runs the full width of the back wall. Completing the space is a custom vanity with core-fluted touch-to-open drawer fronts set against the cloudy tones of Bianco storm marble tiled walls. The TIDA judges were impressed with the sophistication of the suite's design, which has resulted in a space with original style while also delivering functionality and comfort. Congratulations to Bonham Architecture and Interiors, winner of the 2022 TIDA New Zealand Designer Suite of the Year.
Thank you, Paul. I really appreciate it. It's a lovely award to win. It's certainly been a nice surprise for the year. It's interesting, you know, when you're working away on projects, you're so immersed in things, and it was sort of at the last minute, thought, oh well, let's just enter and see how it goes. And you know, you're so immersed in your projects, you don't really think about it too much. So it was great to receive this award. Thank you so much. I just wanted to thank our wonderful builders, TP Builders, Tony Pexton and Griff Nicol. Incredible to work with. They're our preferred builders. Have been absolutely just brilliant on that project, finishing absolutely perfect. My team, so Bree, Delisha, Kylie, Richard, Anita, Julia, like everyone who's worked on this project has been really dedicated and been committed to a real point of excellence with this job. And lastly, I'd like to thank my clients, just the most amazing clients to work with, who really trusted us to do a good job. You know, they weren't sure, and as you know, lots of clients can't visualize a lot of things sometimes. So, you know, with the aid of a lot of computer aided, you know, generated images and things like that, we're able to sort of really convince and push them along the way, and they just trusted us to do our jobs, which was amazing. So thank you so much to my wonderful clients. It was a master suite, so thank you for that. It was the big master bathroom, a huge big walk-in closet that actually wrapped around the room, and obviously the ocean-facing bed. We used a lot of different natural materials. Obviously, in the bathroom we used a lot of natural stone. Custom cabinetry, completely redesigned that whole bathroom actually to have a double walk-in shower, as sort of tucked off to the side before. And then with the master suite, being able to actually sort of walk through the wardrobe through into that big space that opens up to the view was an opportunity for us to create the cabinetry for his and hers. You know, his sits off to the side onto the left, and then hers actually wraps around the room, as where we actually had the bed now facing out towards the Rangitoto view versus the ocean view. So you actually still get that whole aspect, and it feels great. But the whole space just works so much better now. And our client, you know, she's a bit of a clothes horse. She's a bit of a fashionista. We call her the fashionista of the North Shore. So she needed a lot of cabinetry. She needed a lot of wardrobe space. So we designed these beautiful glass closets, a lot of beautiful lighting, and we were quite restricted on budget in a lot of ways. So it was important that we were able to get a really super high-end look and have really beautiful materials, but also look to see how we could keep that budget down. So my tilers absolutely hate me. I'm sorry, guys. But we really needed a great look with that. So we actually had all the tiles done up in our factory in China, and it was just a huge cost saving for the client. And then everything came in, everything had to be laid out, everything was numbered. So there was a lot of site installation in regards to that and oversight. So it was great to get to the end. The tilers just did such a beautiful job on that bathroom. I mean, you just absolutely can't fault it. I mean, it's just perfect. So huge kudos to them. They've just been amazing. But yeah, all of our tradespeople and everyone who's worked on the project has just been fantastic. So it was a really fun project and beautiful project to do. It was a whole house rebuild. So it was nice to sort of see the clients now. They're so happy. I feel like I've done my job because this home now really represents who they are. And it's just been really one. They just love being in the house. They don't want to leave, you know. So I feel like we've done a good job for them. So that's the best reward I could hope for.